and we put inside our Pandora. First thing that I'm going to put are my let's see, what should I put first? Okay, this one. Okay, this one, it's so black, so clean it up and then soak this as well. So as you can see, it's really darkened. Okay, let's see whether it will be cleaned. And then this air balloon and another bracelet. Okay. Right, then let's close it. And let it clean. So while the machine is cleaning, I have another two bracelets here. One is the original Pandora bracelet. It's just that the lock is a heart shape and it is in rose gold. And another bracelet is this Pandora bracelet with, I think this is snowflakes. Okay, so this is a gift from a friend of mine during my birthday, I think 2018 birthday. Okay, so I will also be cleaning this up. Okay. While it's been cleaning, I also going to prepare these charm bracelets that are already very dark. I will just open it up. There is a screw on this stick and then remove all the charms. So let's do this. Let's clean it up for about 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, let's see what's happened. Okay, and we'll try to I have here baking soda, a little bit of water, and dishwashing liquid, just very tiny, just 1 drop of dishwashing liquid, a little, very little drop of dishwashing liquid, and then a little bit of water. Okay, and then an old toothbrush. So what I usually do is something like this. So for example, this is my charm bracelet. This is my Pandora bracelet. So what I do is I took a bit of baking soda and I wet it with the water with dishwashing liquid, and then you just brush it off. Go. Make sure that you gently brush it, not very strong, and you focus on those parts that have some tarnish or a bit of dirt. There you go. Okay, so once it's done, just have to put inside this ultrasonic cleaner. go. I'll get another one. Dip your toothbrush, the brush that you're going to use, into the water, and then just try to brush it. Just very gentle. Focus on those parts that have some dirt. Okay, and then dip it into the water. Same with this.
Once upon a time, every Sunday night, I'd fill my head with pages engraved with a love like fate. Thought I got the lesson, waiting on somebody to save me, wishing on shooting stars, always waiting for a kiss to awake me. Ooh, but I'm done waiting, tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Done with feeling like I failed. Why can't I be lonely? La 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 la, lonely. La 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 la, lonely. Tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Lonely ever after. Read between the lines, started to take what's mine instead of hesitating. Felt like a brand new ride, no longer passenger side. Guess I was suffocating, waiting on somebody to save me, wishing on shooting stars, always waiting for a kiss to awake me. Ooh, yeah, I'm done waiting, tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Done with feeling like I failed. Why can't I be lonely? La 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 la, lonely. La 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 la, lonely. Tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Lonely ever after. I held on for so long to these expectations. Yeah, maybe it's enough to be my own salvation. No, I don't need some.
After cleaning the Pandora into our ultrasonic gadget, we're now going to transfer all of these charms and wash it off with clean water. Okay, so let me just set aside distilled water. I then took a clean tongue and then just put all the charms inside. And rinse off all the soap and the baking soda powder.
Once upon a time, every Sunday night, I'd fill my head with pages engraved with a love like fate. Thought I got the lesson, waiting on somebody to save me, wishing on shooting Read between the lines, started to take what's.
So the next step that we're going to do after we clean our Pandora charms and bracelets is, once they are dried up, we will have to store them in a ziplock. So what I have here is a 3.5 inches times 5.78 inches, so 8.8 cm times 14.9 cm. I usually use this to put some nuts or candies separately, but this is what we're going to use to store our bracelets. So one of the bracelets that I have already stored is this one. So one ziplock in one bracelet in one ziplock. Same thing here, some Pandora charms, I put it in one ziplock bag or ziplock sealer. Same with the rest. So I have already put inside all my Pandora charms and bracelets and necklace and rings, all from Pandora, to keep from moist and to make them shiny. Okay, so this is what I usually do. Okay, put it inside the ziplock and then keep it. When you wanted to use it, then you just take it out from the ziplock. So I hope you like this video. Please do give a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment if you have some questions. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you are notified on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!